Alright, let's do this shit, man. I ain't got a lot of time. Our first warrior from the Virginia Eagles, nose guard, number 55. Man, I call this shit right here the spin from hell. Watch this boy spin off this center, man. I mean, the shit's so fast, if you're not paying attention, you gonna miss it, man. Here you go again, man. Number 55's, man, nose guard. The boy goddamn man-child, man. Gang, 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 gang.
That's what we need to see. Number 55 score with a nice start.
Damn. Bruh, if you got DBs that ain't scared to hit, man, you got a championship defense. Check out this boy, man. 12U Eagles, number 0, come up and bless this boy, man.
Where's his block? Where's his block? Come on, guys.
Yo, you ever seen somebody get knocked out on a lead block? Watch this shit right here, man. Shit crazy.
In the can, right there.
Okay. Let's go, Big Tank. Stop killing people. Good job.
Man, check out the Eagles 12U nose guard. This boy vicious too. Number 61, Eden. Gang, 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 gang.
I was looking for a savior, then I turned into the savior. I started smashing on my games, turning into Sonic, nigga, fuck a Sega. I can't be bowling every weekend, bugging niggas tweaking, bitch, I gotta save up. I can't be trusting niggas even if our blood is even, that's how I was raised up. I'm trying to retire my mama, nigga. It's not cool, she gotta go to work. So I come through and I'ma go to work. And I don't care who the fuck I hurt. When I was down, niggas threw the dirt. I'm the shovel now, nigga, you a hearse. OGs wanna give me game, they already tried, but it wouldn't work. I never had a role model, unless we talking John Gotti. Cause I got murder on my mind, murder on my body, murder that's beside me. The other night we hit a party, and most of my niggas crippin'. Said of blood niggas trippin', but that was never the intention. It was all Willie Lynches, all Willie Lynches, all Willie Lynches. It was all Willie Lynches, all Willie Lynches, all Willie Lynches.